Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how you can easily create a brush stroke effect in Adobe Photoshop, as you can see in front of you here. A really cool effect that you can apply to all types of imagery for you to create some really cool designs. Question should be is how do we do it? And obviously that's why I'm here today to show you how to create such an effect. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just open up our layers here, like so. I'm just going to select these top layers. Press, just click that top layer there, press Shift to click that one there, and highlight them all in the middle. Press backspace to remove, to start off with the original image. Okay, so I'm going to come through now and just add a simple new layer on top. What I want to do now is start creating some brush strokes. Now I have some brushes already downloaded for me from Brush Easy. Fabulous website to go to download brushes from, and there are many other websites out there. My Photoshop brushes, for example, that are offering you free downloadable brushes to be importing into your Photoshop brush library. So as you can see here, I've got my clouds here. So I'm just going to come through now, make sure that that layer is highlighted, that top layer there, perfect. And I'm just going to make sure I come through. I'm going to use the shortcut, the close bracket, located next to P, the right one, just to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And I'm going to add one there, let's say. Let's use that same shortcut just to increase the size of that one there. Nice. Let's get some bigger ones in here, let's say. Let's say, yeah, that one might do. And then we got our brush settings here that we can change the angle of the brush. Let's say a little bit around here. And let's maybe come through and add another brush on there. Let's say we use that one there. And let's put a little one down there. Okay. So I've created my brushes on my single layer there. And what I need to do is swap around these layers. Okay, so I'm just going to come through now and drag that top layer to the bottom. Now with that top layer highlighted, I'm now going to right click and create a clipping mask. As you can see now, that layer now is highlighted to to that layer below. Just want to bring back the sort of like, what's the word I'm looking for here, to see the image. It's a little bit too sort of transparent. So just going to come through and add a solid color adjustment layer. Probably going to go for sort of a light, sort of grayish kind of color there, like so. Maybe come down a little bit darker. There we go. If I drag that to the bottom here, wonderful. As you can see now, it's really coming through. Now, you can add some more brush strokes to that layer if you feel like you haven't done enough. So just come to the layer here like so. Come onto the brushes, choose another one. Let's scroll down. We've got some other ones in here, let's say. Wonderful. And I can add some in there. Like so. Going back to our layers, now what I'm going to do is just add a vibrance adjustment layer on top here. Add a bit more vibrance. Make sure that our clipping mask is attached there. It only affects what's inside of that mask there. Just bring up the vibrance a little bit. Bring up this little bit of saturation there as well. Okay. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that cool brush effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.